Hello, and welcome to Reporting Transactions and Commissions Training Clip. In this section, we are going to talk about the reporting procedure for monthly stats. It is very important that stats are reported accurately since this will directly affect the allocation of awards. Always make sure that you have all the data together before beginning to input into the monthly production summary page, which are listing end, selling end, listing volume, selling volume, and commissions. This applies to both residential and commercial closed transactions. So, let's get started. From the welcome page, scroll down to the right-hand side of the page under the current month report checklist here. Click on the billing report link. If you have multiple offices, you would click on the billing report link for the particular office that you want to enter the stats for. Please keep in mind that you are only reporting for closed transactions, which needs to be completed by the 5th business day of each month and by 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Once on the monthly production summary page, you will see all your agents listed and classified in 3 groups: individuals, team leaders, and team members. Here, a single person red icon indicates a team leader, and here, this double person blue icon indicates the team. By clicking on this Group by Teams button at the top of the screen here, you will be able to see all the team members grouped with their team leaders. This reporting will also help identify specific team members and their stats for recognition within the team. Note, this team portion does not apply if your office or offices currently has no team. So, there are 2 lines. One for an individual that is abbreviated as I. MTH here, which stands for the current month, and the second line, YTD, stands for the year-to-date here. You will only be able to enter stats in the month line. The year-to-date line will automatically update when you have saved the monthly data that you have entered in the month line. Note that there are 2 ways to report the team commissions. The first way is to report team commissions all under the team leader, here, abbreviated TL. In this case, under the team leader, the individual total monthly commission would include the team leader and team members' commission. In the first line, single person icon in red, and it should be equal to the total team monthly commission in the second line, double person icon in blue. As an example, please watch as I enter in stats being reported all under the team leader, Caroline Church. As you can see, the total stats listed under the team leader line, single person icon in red, is equal to the total team line, double person icon in blue. The second way is to report the team commissions separately for the team members and team leader. In this case, the total individual monthly commissions for the team leader in the first line, single person icon in red, should only be the team leader, and the second line, with the double person icon in blue, should reflect the total team monthly commissions, which includes the team leader and team members, and the total individual monthly commission for the team member, abbreviated TM, should be reported on that team member's individual line. As an example, please watch as I enter in stats being reported under the team leader, Paul Kester, and his team members, Rachel Brown and Sherry Dalton. As you can see, the total stats listed under the team leader line, single person icon in red, is the team leader's stats only, and the total stats for the team members are listed under the team members line and the team line, with the double person icon in blue, equals the total for the team leader and the team members. It is very important that the monthly stats are reported accurately and entered before 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time of the 5th business day of each month. Once the current month billing is closed, any corrections that need to be made for the current month or previous month can only be done in the following current month stats. To correct stats from the previous month, as an example, let's say $1,000 in commissions for Gary was not reported in the month of July. His commission for the month of August is $3,000. In August, you would enter $4,000 instead of $3,000. That's $1,000 from July plus the $3,000 for August. In the current month MTH line like so. Now, if Gary's commission was overreported by $4,000 in July, then you would deduct $4,000 July commission from the August commission and enter a negative $1,000, so that would be $3,000 for August minus $4,000 from July in the current month MTH line like so. Please keep in mind that the way you report team commissions will determine individual recognition and club awards. For example, if a team member earned $50,000 in commissions on their own and all of their commissions are reported under the team leader, the team member will not be recognized at the executive club level at the awards event next year. This applies to all the levels of awards, which are Executive Club, 100% Club, Platinum Club, Chairman's Club, and Diamond Club. See Welcome page under Regional News for club levels criteria. It is the responsibility of the office to verify that the stats are entered correctly in iFranchise. If you are uploading from Lone Wolf, it is also the office responsibility to make sure and verify that the stats are pulling over correctly during the upload. Once you have entered verified stats for accuracy and saved by hitting the Save button at the bottom of the screen here. And as you can see, the year-to-date totals have updated. Now, you are ready to generate your invoice by hitting the Go to Billing Report button at the bottom of the screen here. This will take you to your billing report. Please review your invoice. Note, if any of the agent's names are marked in red, this means there is a discrepancy between the current month reported commission and the previous month's reported commission, which can be due to a typo or corrections made on over or underreported commissions. As we see here, due to the correction we made on overreported commissions for Gary. However, if further corrections are needed, please scroll down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen and hit the Go to Monthly Production Summary button here. And this will take you back to the Monthly Production Summary page to make any necessary corrections referencing the agent in red. Also, if you click on this associate icon here, this will expand all associates to view detailed associate fees. Now, if the billing report is satisfactory after you have reviewed it, then you are ready to submit your bill to the regional office by clicking on the Submit to Regional Office button at the bottom right-hand side of the screen here. All payments must be received at the regional office by the 6th business day. If you are not set up on ACH, please mail the payment and write your invoice number and or RE/MAX office ID number on your check. Please make sure to cut 2 separate checks, one for management and the other for the advertising company as stated on your bill. You do not need to send the remittance slip along with your check. Note, late fees of up to 20% of the invoice, depending on your franchise agreement, will be assessed and added onto your following month's bill on payment not received by the 6th business day of each month. This concludes our reporting transactions and commissions training clip. Thank you.